am Elias, come from Mondoro community. Now here you can see this is the round circle. We are using the circle here. Right, from there, after we have contributed all our ideas, right, we are here, manual work, we have more food. Here you can see the illustration shows that this guy is showing young children how to play drums and tambourines. Here the children are being taught at the preschool, as you can see. And here this is the drummer and it's a guitarist teaching young children how to play the guitar. Here our natural resources. Sort of a project, you know, keeping pigs here. Right, now we have man after all our work. Here, you know, as you can see, hard work brings success, right? So our vision after 2 years.
Super. Thank you.